Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can connect Carrom Disc Pool with your Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, open the Carrom Disc Pool app on your device. Now tap on the gear icon that's on the top left corner of your screen. Here, under Account, tap on the Facebook login option. Then select Continue. Now, log into your Facebook by entering your email as well as Facebook password. Once you do, tap on the login button and that's it. This is how you can connect to your Facebook account with Carrom Pool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.